Best free CRM tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a quick overview of HubSpot, which is the industry leader CRM software. So let's get into it. Now, the best part about HubSpot CRM is that it is available absolutely for free and you don't have any credit card requirements, anything at all. So it's absolutely for free, but if you do want to upgrade, you have things such as marketing that you can upgrade for, professional versions or enterprise versions, but all the basic information, all the basic things you need to have a good CRM are available for free on HubSpot. So let's get into it. Now, to get started, all you have to do is click on Get Free CRM, and you can register using your email address and a suitable password. Now, I'm just going to log on to my account. So this is my account over here. And it is super easy to manage and super simple. So I'm just going to go into the home page of my account. Now you can see over here that you have your basic home page, and in your home page you're going to find all the tools that you need. You're going to find some information about the tools of HubSpot CRM. Now on the top you have a simple navigation panel, and on the top right you have your basic account information, notifications, and settings. So your own personal settings. Then you have your marketplaces where you can add or integrate other applications into your CRM. And then you have your trial picker. So you can choose a professional trial of 2 weeks for any of their other services as well. Now we're going to move into the CRM. With any CRM, the first thing that is the most important is usually contacts. So they have simplified contacts in the forms of contacts and companies. Then you also have calls. Now, using calls is going to be a good feature directly in your CRM because you can manage all the call durations, you can manage what was said to whom, and you can also take a look at how far along you are in a CRM or in a resolved ticket. So you can see over here you have multiple different views. Now, first off, we're going to go into the contact section. Now with the contacts, you have all contacts. That's your first view on the top. Then you can click on add view and view a certain type of contact. So maybe you only want to view contacts that need follow-up emails or contacts that were recently, assigned to you or related to marketing, so on and so forth. You can label your contacts and then view or browse them accordingly. To create a new contact, you can click on create contact on the top right. Then you're just going to go on ahead and enter the information of that contact, and then you can choose a contact owner. So you can choose no owner, or you can choose or assign a certain person within your company to manage that contact. So let's say you have a long-standing relationship with a supplier and you have one salesperson that often deals with that supplier. So if that salesperson is already dealing with that contact most of the time, you might want to just assign them that contact. Then you can have your job title, then their phone number, life cycle stage. So let's say this is a customer with us, and then you have your lead status. So we have connected, and then you can click on create. Now this will create a new contact. Now with contact, you're not only limited to adding only this information, but you can create more columns and add more information. So you can see I have all the information of the contact now, and whenever I communicate with this person, if I call them, if I, create an email, send a note, or I schedule a meeting, any of those things are going to appear over here where I can manage them. Now, after that, if I go back into the contact page, I can click on edit columns, and I can click on remove all columns and remove any pre-existing columns or add a new column as well. So let's say that campaign of last bookings or associated deals, associated tickets. So I can add all these columns to better be able to view all the information that I need at a glance. Now, after that, you have a company section. So with every contact, you might want to link a different company. So you can click on create company over here. And once you click on create company, you can enter the domain name. And after that, you can just enter, business information, but I'm just going to continue on over here. So you can see I have a company like this. I've created this previously, so it's gsg.com, and you can just click on create company and create companies and add multiple different people related to that. You can also click on actions over here. You can do this with anything, so you can manage duplicates and restore records, as well as import from other platforms if you have previously added all of your contacts or companies in a different platform. Now, after that, you have your lists and activity feed. So you can manage, lists and create or, segment your contact. So let's say so this is going to be a active list where I will continuously add people that I'm losing contact with in terms of my business. And you can click on add filter and you can have contact properties over here and last contacted. If the last contacted was in the first week of January, then I want to be able to view all of those contacts over here, which I am potentially losing. So this can enable you to prevent the loss of your customers as well. Now, after that, you have your conversations. So conversations are like a inbuilt chat feature on HubSpot, and you can contact your business partners or your own personal team using HubSpot as well. And you can also send emails via HubSpot directly, so it can, be integrated directly or seamlessly into the rest of your business. Now, next up, you have their marketing hub. Now, in their marketing hub, they have segmentation such as emails. So in your emails, you can manage all of your emails. You can click on create emails and send them directly. You can also blog with emails and you can publish your content as well as sending emails. Then you also have advertisements. So in your ad section over here, you can actually get a good idea of how your ad campaigns are going. You can click on create ad campaign, whether it's on Facebook or LinkedIn, and add all the information regarding that and, publish it directly from your CRM software. Then we are going to go into sales, which is a more important feature. So with any kind of CRM, sales and services are most important. Why? Because in CRMs, the main function is to manage tickets or resolve tickets. So in your sales section, you have deals and tasks. And in your services section, you have tickets. Tickets are when your business partners or if a customer comes up to you and says, hey, we have this issue, you can click on create a ticket and create a ticket. You can add what kind of pipeline it is from. So you can create multiple different pipelines such as marketing, finance, product enhancement, or product deficiencies, whatever it might be regarding. You can add that. Then you're going to add your ticket status. So if it's new, if it is something people are waiting on, or if it is closed. Then you have your description, the source. So let's say it's from chat. Then you're going to enter the ticket owner, so you can enter anyone as the ticket owner, and then the priority as well as the contact. So if this was from Alyssa Zimmer, she had some issue with some of the supply, maybe some of the finances, then you can link this with her, and then you can also link it with a certain company. And then you can just click on create and create your new ticket. Now, after that, in your sales section, you have deals. And deals can also be managed in a more functional way by just clicking on create deal and associating them with a company or a contact, as well as adding basic pipeline stages as well as deal stages as well with amount numbers. Then in the next section, you also have tasks. So to resolve your tickets, you can create tasks within your team. This can only be viewed by your team. So you can go on ahead and click on create task over here. And you can add a title, you can add what type of task it is to do, and you can associate it with a certain ticket. So you can go on ahead and associate the ticket and be like, hey, to resolve this ticket, we need to accomplish this task and assign it to a team member. And that is how simple and easy it is to get started with the HubSpot CRM. Next up, you have automations, which are a premium feature. So you can't use this on the free plan. I'm not going to be going over that. But after that, you have your analytical tools where you can manage your, basic dashboards and get, some basic reports of the overall CRM software that you're running. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.